I am back with a unboxing of a $10 grab box from Michael's. About a week ago, I was in Michael's for... Now, this is going to be my actual first reaction to this. I'm opening the box right now. I went into Michael's and I was looking for something else. And I couldn't find it. So I just happened to just look over and I saw all these boxes and bags. And I said, what is that? And then I said, that's right. They have grab bags. So I picked up two. Now, in the beginning of my channel, you saw at one of my glue books, they used to be $2 for a box. That's not bad. Now, what I'm hoping to find, and I keep stopping from opening it, what I'm hoping to find is mugs, you know, coffee cup mugs, or paint. That would be fun. Or kits, you know, fun little, but this is for summer, from summer. If I could find paint or paper, I would be just over the moon. Or even flowers. We'll see. Because one time I found, I'm going to get this. They take the whole box. It's a little hard to get into. I'm so excited. Because, like I said in the beginning of my channel, when I used to go look for the grab bags, I never could find it. I think I found two, one full of flowers, and I was happy with that. And another time, I can't remember. That's how long it's been. But to find the boxes, I've never found the box. Alright. First things first. I do not mind. The best looking roses, but they're roses, and you know I could use that. I'm happy with that. I'm happy. Happy with that. I'm really happy. Oh! A whole potted plant! And this was $29.99 regularly. And you know they mark up that. That's not bad. A little potted plant, that's cute. I gotta put him up in my craft room. So I'm gonna move this aside. Happy with this. Really happy. Alright. Move this over here, but happy with that. Really happy with that potted plant. Okay, not so much, but what is this? A sand and sea wall decor. $24. Okay. Oh gosh. For initials? $24. Even half price, that's $12. For this? Okay. Okay, y'all. What's this stuff? What is this? Is another initial. What are they just over there making? They just making stuff. Tabletop, the color pop tabletop decor. Okay. Oh, I'm not mad at. Oh, y'all, I thought this was a vase. It's not. It's a. This is fun. This is a spring warm heritage tabletop decor. Yeah, you can. Okay. I thought it was a. All right, that looks. Okay. Okay, I might have to move some of this stuff. Excuse me. A balloon kit. Oh, that's fun. A bunch of balloon kits. Okay. Gabby's dollhouse Glover Bubbles. Now, I do have some nieces and nephews. I could get this too. Oh, neon sign that says sun, sea, and sand. You know I love this. That says love. Yes. Sun, sea, and sand. I didn't even think of something like a LED neon sign that was $24.99. Yes. I don't see here though the sun. Oh no, it was just the love LED neon sign. Okay, that's cute. Excuse me, the sun and sea and sand is separate, $5.99. That's cute. Oh yeah, you know me, I do love the sun, the sea, and the sand. That's cute. And another. Okay, they charged up for stuff. $12.99 for another. It could be. And it's a craft kit in there. I am not mad at the stuff that's in here. I am not mad. That's cute. That'd be really cute if I had a big, big enough room, but I can always find somewhere to put that. And these, different. It's always something you can do with that. That's right up my alley. And the fun Gab Hughes Dollhouse Glover Bubbles. And some nieces and nephews are like that. And this. So I'm not mad at this grab bag. I will come back with a part 2. And you know I'm just excited about these. I am not mad at all. And this. I am not mad at all. And this, like I said, was $30. Even half price $15 for this. Wow. Even 75%. That's $7 for this. So that's a good buy right there. All right, I'll come back for the part 2. So we're back for the second box. Why do I believe that the second box has the same thing as the first box had? So I'm trying to get this one over. You ain't had to tape it this well, by goes, I guess they did. Because people will pop it open and look inside. Oh! Alright. This one has cheers! No, the other one I got said love. This was his cheers. Alright. Like I said, I'm always happy to find flowers. So we got that. The one thing that's different, let's see what this is. This one, this I didn't get. Oh, this is nice. What's that? What is that? You, me, and the sea. Oh yeah, you know me. Can y'all see that? Cause now, maybe too close. I'll put this aside. Cheers. You, me, and the sea. You can't really see it as I bring it up, but it's a pillow. You, me, and the sea. That was it a return? Because there's no tag on it. But you, me, and the sea. I like that because that's a sentiment I believe in. Okay, this one. It's no need really me pulling any more out because the only thing left is this, more flowers, which I love, and the rock mold kits. So that was that was quick. That was quick, but I'm happy with what was in here. So if here, I'll lift it up so you can see it now. Can you see it? You, me, and the sea. So I'd like to thank you so very much for stopping by. If you could tell me what you were surprised to see in the box, and have you ever purchased any of their grab bags or grab boxes before? Thank you. If you want to let me know that you stopped by, you could leave a wave emoji or I don't know. What can we say? A box emoji? I don't know. A wave emoji to say, hey, that you stopped by. Thank you once again. And don't forget, like I said, to drop me a line to tell me, what were you surprised to see in these grab boxes? And have you ever purchased any of Michael's grab boxes? And how much were they? Because remember when I started off the channel, I said, remember that when they used to be $2. So thank you for stopping by. I said, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.